Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lori, and as you can tell, we have a completely different form of light or source of light coming in right now, and this one is all natural. I'm trying to beat the clock, okay? I do not want to turn on the demon child. So anyway, I'm gonna do this one first, okay? This is Glow Addict. This is Glow Addict XL. Okay, I'm just gonna let you guys know I just did the Glow Addict regular for $18.99. This here is the Glow Addict XL. It is month to month. It is the big boy. And take a look at this, folks. I have only looked in it. I have not taken anything out, so I don't know if there's more stuff than what you see right there. And some of those things are upside down, so I got to be careful. Like I said, I just kind of took a peek on top. That's about as far as I've gotten. So we're gonna set this down right there. We're gonna try to beat the clock. That's the sun clock. So as I said before, Glow Addict does not give you a card inside. So you're not gonna get any kind of information on a description of the products inside. You're not gonna get prices on it. It's kind of up to you to find out how much it costs. I don't know, some people don't even care. All they want to know is what we got inside the box. And then other people would love to see right on the bottom of the screen, which I do as much as possible, if it's available to me, how much the product retails for. This first one is Vera Wang, and it's Embrace. It's periwinkle and iris. It's a fine fragrance mist. This is full size. Now, I did smell it. It's amazing. It's kind of, I would love to spray this room right now. Unfortunately, this room is in disarray. I don't want to waste spray on a disarray. It just says it's a fragrance mist. It says spray throughout the day for a sheer veil of fragrance. So you can, okay, wait a minute. Now I get what it is. You can spray yourself and smell good. Smell like periwinkle and iris. That's for you. Nice. Okay, this one is English Rose. It's a nourishing hand cream. And who is it by? Kajal. This is and I know it's hard for you to read. I can't even read it. It's got the gold. See, like this. There you go. It's English Rose. So anyway, it's a hand cream. Nourishing hand cream. And then we got the Manicadar. Looks like there are 4 brushes. And it's the limited edition Pro Eye Kit. I think I've gotten this before. This looks very familiar, you guys. Okay, there's the back. This might be a little bit easier. We have the shader brush, blender brush, and the tall tapered blender brush, and the precision brush. So you got these 4 right here. If I went back and looked in my videos, I would almost be willing to bet that I've received this box before, because the Pro Eye Kit sounds real familiar. The other thing too is I know I have her brushes. This next one, this is pretty cool. This says it's Pure Aura Paper Cloud. Check this out. This is a paper cloud. It's a 2-in-1. Now this is a premium melting cleansing foam and makeup remover. I wonder if this actually like disappears in your hands. You know, put it in the palm of your hand, add water to it, and it turns into a foam. I wonder if that's what it does. And it's for oily skin. There's 10 sheets in there. Now I do have my contacts in, but I don't have my glasses. A lot of time my glasses are a little bit clearer because I have one eye does one thing and the other one does another. But I am wondering, place the sheet on the palm. I was right, on the palm of your hand. Add some water, a little bit, and it fully melts. That's awesome concept. That is a really cool concept. And then we got a pair from, these are called the Mary Lou Mona Labelle Beauty. Check that out. And it's Can't Wait to See You Slay. So these are Mona Labelle Beauty lashes. in the style Mary Lou. Cute, very cute, but they're very big. I mean, these are pretty flashy. So these are Mona Labelle's Mary Lou eyelashes. And then we have a little pen here. It's an eyeliner. So my guess is it's black, and you can kind of tell through here. I'm not going to open this just for the reason if it goes in a giveaway. I'm going to kind of leave, I want to leave this sealed. And it is Onyx Rush. So it's 510 right there. See that? And then I'm trying to see right here if this says Onyx Rush. It does, doesn't it? Okay, good. By Maybelline. It's an eyeliner. Okay, and then I got this already, you guys. I got these from Lorella. These are the Oh Christmas Tree. Remember? They're liquid mini eyeshadows. They're pretty. They're absolutely gorgeous. These are by Lorella. I love Lorella. I remember opening or buying all of their little mystery boxes, the tier 1, 2, and 3. One was like, let's say $30, and you only got like 3 to 4 products inside, all the way up to the big one. And my videos are way down there. Last year, I had a blast, but I have pretty much 98% of everything they sell. So I don't do the mystery boxes anymore because they're not giving you anything that I don't already own. But these are really pretty. Take a look at them. That emerald, see that? And then there's this one that has that real pretty, almost like every color green, like a blackish green. Look at that. Very pretty. These are gorgeous. Anyway, they're just little mini liquid eyeshadows, and they come in this cute little like ornament. It says Oh Christmas Tree on it, and believe me, if you go like this, they're gonna it's the top is gonna come off. You could probably tape it, but Christmas is over, so you can't put this on the tree until next year, and then your product is probably gonna go bad. Okay, last product in the box. Their eyeshadow palette by Lorella. This one's glaze, and I have it. That's what I was trying to say. I think I have a couple of them. So anyway, these are all the colors in here that are in this palette. I do not want to open this one, or should I? If I was to give this away, I don't think you guys would want to have it if it wasn't sealed, right? I mean, this is totally sealed. So let's just look at it this way, okay? If I knew that this was in the box, I would have gone and had mine and opened it up and shown you mine. But I think that's it. I don't think there's anything else. Nope, that's all. I'm almost positive this is the XL for December 2020, because right before December started and I was just starting the month, I had ordered it in December, or excuse me, in November, and I got it. And I thought that is kind of weird, you know, I thought maybe this is the December box, but it wasn't. Then this came and I knew, all right, this is the December 2020 XL for Glow Addict. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would love it and greatly appreciate it if you'd give this video a thumbs up. It does help me out, and it does help YouTube recognize me a little bit, just a little bit. As well as hitting that subscribe button if you haven't already. I know a lot of people just come on through, they watch these videos and they're out of here. They don't even make it to the end, and that's okay. I understand. I seem to be the only I'm the only person that watches videos all the way to the end. I mean, I know there's a few of you guys out there, and if you watch mine all the way to the end, thank you. I love it, and I love you. So you guys take care. I do have one more box, just one more box and one more bag. So if you can sit tight through one more box and one more bag, I greatly appreciate it. And we're gonna kick some butt and beat this sun before it goes down. I'll see you in my next video. Sit tight. I'll be right